This is the Precision Lab. It started this whole suite. A discrete time active inference agent walking a small maze. What makes it interesting is not the maze. What makes it interesting is the three dials on the right. They are the parameters that determine, in active inference, what kind of mind this agent has. Three dials. Gamma A, how much the agent trusts what it senses. Gamma B, how much it trusts that its actions will do what it expects. T, how decisively it commits to its best plan. These are not behavioral states. They are the precision parameters that sit underneath behavior, in the Friston, Pizzulo, and Parr active inference formulation. Mental health researchers have been talking about them for over a decade. This lab lets you move them with your hand. Here is the agent at step 0. Belief is uniform across all the open tiles. The blue shading you see is its current probability distribution over where it is. It has not yet seen anything. The goal is the green tile marked G. It does not know where it stands. A few steps in, with sensory precision near 1 and decisive policy commitment, the agent localizes. The blue shading sharpens onto a single tile. The agent knows where it is. The numbers in the squares are its plan, its predicted trajectory under its current best policy. This is what active inference looks like when the dials are well tuned. Goal-directed, efficient, minimal wall hits. Now watch what happens if we drop gamma A, sensory precision, down to 0.15. The agent is still trying. It still acts on its best understanding. But its belief stays smeared across the maze. It does not know where it stands. It cannot reliably tell good evidence from bad. The behavior that comes out of this looks, from outside, like wandering. Like indecisiveness. From inside, it is a perfectly rational response to evidence that has been computationally devalued. Raise gamma a high, sensory precision near 3, and the agent reaches the goal. The green banner confirms it. Notice what we did. We did not change the agent's motivation. We did not change its preferences. We did not give it a new strategy. We changed one number, how much it trusts its senses, and a stuck system became a goal-directed one. This is the Echo Lab sibling page, same architecture. The agent and the maze are identical. What changes is the meaning of the sensor. Same mathematics, different observation model. The goal here is rendered as a pulsing source. The metaphor is echolocation. Instead of feeling only the 4 walls immediately next to it, the agent now casts a ping that travels up to 2 cells in every direction. The first wall along each ray returns the echo. The sensor reaches further into the world. At the same default dial settings, the Echo Lab disambiguates the agent's location faster than the Precision Lab does. We have measured this. The first step belief entropy is 0.01 against 0.3 for the range 1 sensor. The behavioral regimes, wandering, rigid commitment, decisive goal-seeking, they all still emerge under their respective dial settings. The whole story carries. Only the meaning of the wall bits has changed. Step back. What these two labs are showing, together, is that perception itself has a structure. 2 of its parameters are gamma A, the trust you put in evidence, and the range of the sensor you have. Both are dials. Both, in this model, are tunable. In the active inference literature, this is the precision story. Friston has called this the precision weighting account of psychiatric symptoms. The Precision Lab and the Echo Lab are 2 minimal demonstrations, one parametric, one structural, of what that account predicts. But there is something missing. These 2 labs put perception in your hands. They do not put preference in your hands. And in a real life, and in the real clinical literature, preference is at least half of what determines whether a system stays stuck or finds its way out. That is the third lab. We get to it next. That is the Precision Lab and the Echo Lab. 2 siblings. 1 thesis, in 2 voices. Thank you.